Good evening. This is Jenny with Curators. Happy Mother's Day. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful evening. I am here to bring joy and positivity into your NFT world. So, to start out with, yes, we have kind of a sad chart today. Crypto markets are down. We're around 1.6 trillion. Bitcoin, Ethereum are down. And really, that's kind of set the tone for all the markets, including NFTs. So, what do you do when it's a down market? Well, if you have funds sidelined, it might be a good time to watch the floors of projects that you believe in. We've been looking at, and this is not financial advice, so really you guys have to make your own decisions. The floors of certain projects all week were very high. Now they're down a little bit from those highs. So if these are things that you're interested in, take a look. And even when we talk about floor prices being down, if you go back to last October 2021, the floor price for a mutant ape was somewhere around 3.5 or 4.5 ETH. Now look at it, it's 22 ETH almost. And really, that's a huge increase. Now, maybe it was higher and people FOMO'd in at a higher price. And so they're not in a position to sell right now. I think, and again, not financial advice, but it just gives you a moment to pause and take some perspective of, if you're feeling bad about where the floor price is right now, did you really think about what you wanted to get out of the investment you were making and where you needed to exit that? Like, is there a point where it's not worth it to you to stay in it? Or is it something that you are truly convicted about and you want to be in it for the long haul? So just all things to think about. And honestly, better to think about those things when investments are on their way up than on their way down and you're panicking. So just some perspective. If you're stuck in the NFT for a while, then it's maybe a great time to take a break from watching the floor price of the projects that you're in. If that is the case, I have some suggestions for you. So, well, number one, if you wanted a backup plan, apparently this meme has a suggestion. But if that's not something that you can laugh about right now, there are a ton of other NFT memes out there. Just do a quick Google search. I found one that I liked. Yeah, I'm into NFTs, noses, feet, and teeth. So as a cat lover myself, I love to take pictures of my cat. This really appealed to me, gave me a laugh. And then I also love to watch shows. I thought the South Park episode that made fun of NFTs and crypto Twitter was hilarious. If you have a perspective where you can step back and laugh at yourself, this might be something you'd enjoy. Just the episode was called Post-COVID, The Return of COVID. Check it out. If you need some daily inspiration, there's a ton of inspirational quotes out there. So our daily decisions and habits have a huge impact upon both our levels of happiness and success. I felt that was inspirational. We each start every day new with like a clean slate. So take a minute to start your day with a positive attitude and a feeling of how you're going to be able to accomplish the things you want to accomplish. If you have other free time, you might want to just take a minute and read a book. There is Amazon.com. If you want a hardcover book, audiobook, Kindle, those are all options. So I would say that if you wanted a book that is about wealth accumulation, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is kind of a classic go-to, especially you'll probably hear it from a lot of motivational speakers. They'll recommend this book. And then another option, if you wanted to read, about some investment strategies, this Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, a pretty good book by Philip Fisher. So, sometimes things don't go the way we plan. It's all just giving us a minute to sit back and get some perspective on what our long-term goals are and what our convictions are. I would just say, take the time to reevaluate the projects that you're in and what you really feel passionate about, what you think is going to happen with those projects in the future. And Definitely take a minute to step away from your screen, step away from all your coin trackers, all your apps, anything that's reminding you of where things are, and enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy the fun things you like to do. Maybe go to the movies, read a book, listen to some music. And I'll leave you with this positive quote from a song that I like. It says, "Accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, latch on to the affirmative, and don't mess with Mr. In Between." So I hope you guys can all accentuate the positive in your lives. I hope that you will take a minute to like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below and let me know what else you'd like to hear about. You can also reach me on Twitter at cureraiders. It's at and then CURERAIDERS. Hope you have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching.